Hello children, I know you are doing well with the help of your parents and teachers. I am going to show you some pictures. Speak with me. Good. Goldfish. Gift. Goose. Gun. Glass. Grapes. Gas cylinder. Grass. Gate. Garden. Gardener. Geezer. Now, one sound is coming from all the words, and that is G. G. Now, I will narrate very interesting story of G. Listen carefully. One day, Geetu went to a garden. A goat was standing near the gate to guard the goldfish. A gardener was watering the plants. Geetu sat on a chair. She kept her toy gun in front of her. A glass of juice and grapes were lying on the table. Geetu's pet goose was flying nearby. Her grandmother came with the gift. When Goose saw the grandmother, it touched her feet. On seeing this, Geetu was quite amused. Children, now we will do some question answers and you will give the answers in full sentence. Now tell me, who went to the garden? Who was standing near the gate? Who sat on a chair? What did she keep in front of her? Who was playing nearby? What was there on the table? What grandmother was holding? I request all the parents to listen and watch the story very carefully and repeat the same. Bye bye kids. Hope you enjoyed being with me. Stay safe, stay healthy.